So Samer, so we've had the what with Kevin, we've had the who with Mahmoud. So I'm going to go on to talk to you about how a little bit, and now how do you see companies leveraging and adopting AI, and who's getting first mover advantage, and what's the use case? Can you talk me through your thoughts on that?
Yeah, sure. So technology in general, we know that technology in general enables consolidation and it shifts power. We saw this happening multiple times. And once consolidation happens and power shifts, the barrier to entry is very high for competitors. So whoever started with this. And AI is not any different. AI is still part of the technology enablers that can lead to consolidation and at the same time to the shifting powers. So the competition game is not a leapfrog anymore. The moment you have the first mover powered by AI and other technology, it's very hard to catch up with you. Very quick example, we know this physically happens with libraries. So very less people now go to the library to do research. They go to Google or to any search engine to find the information they're looking for. And it happened in the automotive way before also.